Wow! Once again, my friends, it's Friday. Thanks God it's Friday again. So this is the time I'm gonna play once more time. I'm gonna play with my toy. I'm here right now in Huntington Beach, watching the waves hitting the shore, while a lot of people waiting for the sunset. The wind blowing so hard, but I don't care. If I wanna play, I'll play. That's how it is. If you enjoy, play with your toy, play with it, no matter what. It's your own hobby, and nobody can stop it. So, this is part one of my drone shot. And enjoy the scenery that I am trying to bring to you. Love the sunset, the colorful sunset. The sun reflects underneath the boardwalk. Hang on tight. I have a lot of videos I can present to you guys. Love the day of my life again. This is the first video that I can share for you, and I'm gonna make some more of the videos that I took using my drone. Love to take all the videos using the drone all the time. So thank you everyone for watching. See you again on my next posting. Goodbye.